YouTube, how you all doing? I just want to give you guys an update about my truck, and also I went on YouTube. I see most people the video is not on YouTube, so this is gonna be an education for everyone that own a Detroit Series 60 concerning my fan clutch. My own fan clutch is working. The clutch is actually working, but for some reason my truck is doing overheating, and I just changed the head on the truck. So I don't know why it's doing overheating. The solenoid works. We've checked, everything is working. The radiator, everything is working. So when I took it to my mechanic, the mechanic now did something. Now the truck doesn't overheat no more. So I'm going to show you guys. It's going to be a quick video. I go straight to the point. So what the guy did, he actually installed it's called terminal switch. It's called fan clutch terminal switch. You can see there's the fan clutch terminal switch where where you normally put the thermostat. So it took a nut out there, it took it out, and then put that terminal switch. Now the terminal switch, what it's doing right now is regulating the fan. So the terminal switch, they come in varieties. There's 195, there's 205, there's 180, but the one I actually bought is $34. The one I installed, you can see it has a plus and negative, those two wires. So I'll show you guys the guy run the wire. So he took one wire, I think the red one, it brought the red one, it brought it right here. I'll show you guys. It brought the red wire to the solenoid. You can see it connect the red wire to the solenoid. That's the wire right here. It cut it. You can see. I hope you guys can actually see this video. It cut the wire, and it connects one of the wire from the thermal switch. It connected to the solenoid wire, and also it now took the ground. You now came over here, the white wire, it running from there. I don't know what this connected to this. It caught the wire, it connected to this, and it actually took a ground and it connected to my chassis. You can see. So now, whenever I'm running on the hill, by the time my temperature gets to 195, the fan kicks on, it cools the engine down. Now I don't have overheating problem no more. That's just an update. Now my fan clutch, I don't have to worry about. Actually, this is what they call, they bypass the ECM. The ECM was bypassed by installing the thermal. You can see again the thermal switch. That's the thermal switch, guys. So it's super easy. You yourself can do it, but actually I took it to a professional that know what they're doing, so they can help him. Now it regulates the radiator, it regulates everything, it cools down the engines. I've been driving for Indiana right now. They have the eel on 64 I-64, they have so many eels, and I have a container. I'm holding the container. You can see we hold container right here, and by the time my temperature rises to like 190, it cool it down. I know actually it works. Guys, that's just an update about the fan clutch. If you have similar problem, your truck is doing overheating, that's what the guy actually did for me. It's called fan clutch switch. That's what it's called. I'll put it in the description below where you can get it. It's actually for $84 a body, and I paid the guy just $100 to fix it. Alright guys, if you love this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up, like, share, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.